If you want to manage your money like the 1%, let me introduce you to the 75 10 to 15 rule, a simple system that works no matter how much you earn. Whether you're making 10,000 or 1,000 per year, this approach builds wealth while adapting to your income. Let's break it down. Smart spending strategies. First, for every dollar you earn, 75% is the maximum you should spend on your lifestyle. This includes housing, food, vacations, or even that shiny new gadget. Spending less is even better. But here's what the 75% rule does for you. Value-based decision making. It pushes you to seek smarter alternatives. Regular or premium gas. Whole Foods or Aldi. The choice is yours, but smart spending adds up. Why frugality is a wealth builder. Even millionaires do this. At a networking dinner, I saw millionaires hunting for happy hour deals and splitting the bill down to the last cent. Being rich doesn't mean wasting money. Building financial resilience. Next is saving 10% of every dollar into a cushion fund for emergencies. Think of it as your safety net for when life throws you a curveball. Why emergency funds are critical. For example, I once faced a $15,000 car repair bill after an accident. Thanks to my cushion fund, I avoided debt and stress. How to calculate your cushion fund. Calculate your monthly expenses and multiply by 5. If you spend $2,000 monthly, aim for a $10,000 cushion fund. Once you hit that goal, you can stop saving and move on to the next step. The role of investments in wealth building. Finally, invest 15% of your income to build wealth. Real wealth comes from owning assets, not just earning a paycheck. Understanding assets versus liabilities. Assets grow your money while you sleep. A job pays your bills, but investments secure your future. Tax advantages of retirement accounts. Start with accounts like Roth IRAs and 401ks. A Roth IRA grows tax-free, while a 401k often comes with employer matches, free money for your retirement. The power of compounding. Invest in index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500. Over decades, even small investments grow into big wealth. For example, $100 a month at a 10% return becomes $1.4 million in 50 years. Your financial action plan. Congratulations! You've just taken the first step toward mastering your money with the 75 10 to 15 rule. Spend wisely, save for the unexpected, and let your investments work for you. Remember, financial freedom is a journey. Take charge, and the future is yours. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.